love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror and he is no friend to me.
Hawkeye, the dog with a remarkable tale, has a heartwarming story. It all began when he was just a small puppy, found abandoned and lost on the streets of a bustling city. A kind-hearted family discovered Hawkeye and decided to adopt him. Hawkeye became a beloved member of that family. He lived with 2 young children, a boy and a girl. Hawkeye became a loyal and joyful companion to the kids, always ready to play and becoming their reliable protector. One fateful day, the Hawkeye family received tragic news. The children's father, a military officer, had made the ultimate sacrifice during a mission. The loss caused immense grief and hardship for the family. Hawkeye sensed this loss and became a special companion to the children. He understood and shared their emotions. Hawkeye could often be found lying beside the military badge and photograph of the children's father, as if guarding and remembering the fallen hero. One day, destiny took an unexpected turn as the family was invited to a memorial ceremony, and Hawkeye and the 2 children were invited to attend. The trio made their way to a square where a military parade was taking place. Hawkeye sensed the solemn atmosphere and hoped to be a part of the tribute to the children's father. As the parade began, a large crowd gathered in the square. The loud bangs and unfamiliar sounds frightened Hawkeye, and he started to panic and run astray. The children and the family became deeply worried as Hawkeye disappeared from sight. After a period of searching, the family finally found Hawkeye in a small corner of a nearby park. He looked exhausted and terrified. Upon seeing the family, Hawkeye felt safer and ran into the embrace of the 2 children. Everyone could sense the love and comfort Hawkeye brought. From that moment on, Hawkeye became a symbol of strength and resilience. He had endured hardships and loss, but remained steadfastly by the family's side, offering encouragement and hope. Hawkeye's story quickly became an awe-inspiring tale, widely shared and cherished. Others were moved by the love and unwavering loyalty displayed by this remarkable dog. Hawkeye was honored and became an emblem of loyalty and unconditional love from a dog to humans. His story served as an inspiration, reminding us of the importance of family bonds and unity. Hawkeye's story lives on as a courageous and faithful dog, becoming part of a cherished tradition and memorial for the family and community.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray.
Thank you all very much. I wish you all the best things will come to you.